Alright, I got this old screen that's seen its better days. Flies are getting in my bathroom through a little hose. So we're going to replace this screen. And what you need is some more screen. You can get a roll like this at Walmart or just about anywhere. It's relatively cheap. You need one of these. Now I've got this one. It's just an old one, but you need one of these to help put that stuff back down in the slot. And you need like a little screwdriver or something when you find the end. And what you want to do is find the end there, and there's the end right there of the rubber stuff. And try to get the rubber stuff started, coming out. And if it's not brittle, and this one doesn't seem to be, you should be able to pull it out all the way around. And then put your new stuff on. There. It may come out. You need to be real easy because it'll break real easy. That feels like it's going to break. Maybe it'll help if I pushed up on the inside. There we go, it's coming. There's two sides. This one is not wanting to come out. Maybe we can take this other end out easier. And this is not easy to do one-handed. Let me set this down. Now then, get that other half. There you go. Now then, you get your rubber part out, and like I say, if it's not real brittle, then you're in good shape. Then all you have to do is pull the screen out. Make sure you get all the screen out. Make sure there ain't nothing inside there. Alright. Half the battle's gone right there. Now let's get the screen on there and see if we can't get a little better shape. Alright. What I like to do is stretch it out a little bit. And just remember, you can always cut it smaller. You just want to have plenty to get it on there. So what I'm going to do is get up here and cut it. There we go. And you want to get it as straight as you can so that your lines on your screen will be straight. Like that right there. Yeah. Alright. Now then, you can put your screen on top. Now make sure it's fairly straight. And let's see if we can get this thing on here. I'm going to start it right here because that's where, yeah. Once you get it straight, you want to start on one end. This way I do it. Put it in the corner like it's supposed to be. You kind of put your thumb down on it and get your wheel. Here. Alright. Now you got that side on. And then you want to kind of hold it taut. Just a little bit if you can while you put this side on. Try to get it as taut as possible. Don't have to be perfect. Now then, you turn this way, you want to pull it tight from the bottom and try to hold it as tight as you can while you go across here. And it's going to tighten up on its own because you're pushing down on it. So just get it as tight as you can, and then start working that rubber down in there. All right. You can see right here that I got it good and tight. This is good and tight. And I got a little extra left. So that's where your little knife comes in. You want to cut that off without cutting your screen too much. All right, and now you got to cut that excess screen off. And what I like to do is get on the outside of the rubber part, right in there, and go right next to the rubber all the way down. Alrighty, all that trimmed off, and you want to make sure, all right, you got it all trimmed off, but you want to make sure you go back right here on the corners and make sure you get that rubber part pushed down into the corner. Sometimes they don't like to go down in the corner with that rubber, with that roller. So you want to come back and make sure you got them down in the corners good. All right. And there, all right, and there you have it. You now have a screen that is back to looking new again, except for the outside metal part. It's pretty taut. So that's how you replace a screen. And you got plenty more stuff for more screens. Alright, I guess that's it for now. So, you can trim these little old pieces off. That's it for now.